In this tutorial video, I am going to show how to activate and deactivate MatCalc standalone licenses that are single-user single-node and multi-user multi-node licenses. Before we can go on with the activation process, we need to do some preparatory works. First, start the MatCalc GUI. Then, open the File menu and click on the Settings submenu. The Settings window will appear. Choose the tab General, on the left side, and then click on the Create and Initialize button. Now you can choose a location for the user directory. Please note that you need write permissions for this location. After you have chosen an eligible location, click on the button Select Folder. A window appears, where you are asked to confirm the chosen directory. Click on the OK button. Another confirmation window appears. Just click on the OK button. Log into your account in the customer portal of MatCalc Engineering and download your license file. After the download, save the license file in the folder Licenses, which is located in the MatCalc user directory. Then restart the MatCalc. After the restart, MatCalc looks for new licenses in this directory. Open again the Settings window. Then choose the tab Licenses. For activation of a standalone license, choose your license in the License field. Then click on the button Activate License. The activation, via email, is a backup option, and is used only if the standard activation of a standalone license is not possible for some reason. If everything worked, a notification window appears, which says the activation is complete. Click on the OK button to close this window. Optionally, you can click on the Show Details button, in order to let you display more information on the license activation process. Click on the OK button to close this window. Now, your license is permanently activated, and you can start working with MatCalc in the full mode. It may be necessary to deactivate the license, for example, if you want to transfer the license to another computer. In this case, open the Settings window, go back to the tab Licenses, and choose the license in the License File field, which you want to deactivate. Then click on the button Deactivate License. If deactivation has been done problem-free, a notification window appears to inform you that the chosen license file is deactivated. Click on the OK button to close this window. In another window, Show Details, more information on the deactivation process can be displayed. Click here also on the OK button to close this window. Finally, the license is now deactivated on your computer.